Okay, we are at the Amana Clock and Furniture Shop in Amana, Iowa right now. We just got done with the place. I thought I'd go behind the place to see if they had any ACs, and it looks like they do. Here we have a old Amana unit running. And I believe the compressor is located in the separate compartment right here. This is from 1992, I think. This is a 3-ton. And it's working okay. And then here we have another Amana unit. I think this might be a Prestige model. Copeland scroll compressor with a blanket. It's from 2001. Oh, it just came on. It's a 4-ton. Nice, just came on. Really quiet. And over here are these two units now. Here we have two Trane XR units. Alliance scroll compressor. (2022) 3.5 ton. That one's the same thing. And here we have another vintage Amana. Or well, I don't know if they're vintage, but yeah. Definitely older though. It's from 1989, and it's a 5-ton, I think. And here are these two units again. But yeah, just thought I'd get a quick video of these units. Anyways, thanks for watching.